recalls some ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptops for potential fire risk. Lenovo on Tuesday revealed it's voluntarily recalling a limited number of 5th-generation ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptops over a potential fire risk. It will inspect and repair if necessary all affected laptops for free. First Lenovo, now Dell is working on a Surface competitor. You can thank Microsoft for leading the way with its Surface and Surface Pro. The Dell XPS 12 looks similar but is expected to offer a high-resolution 4K display with barely a bezel for Windows 10. Read more. Some ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptops built between December 2016 and October 2017 are impacted, Lenovo said. The laptop maker has launched a website to determine if your ThinkPad X1 falls into the recall. That includes models labeled 20HQ, 20HR, 20K3, and 20K4. Lenovo wrote on its website, the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission said about 83,500 devices could be affected. Lenovo launched its 5th-generation X1 Carbon in May 2017, packing a long-lasting battery, powerful options, and sleek design for business users. Last week, Lenovo said it released a security patch to fix a serious vulnerability in its Fingerprint Manager Pro for Windows 7, 8, and 8.1 involving a hard-coded password. Fingerprint Manager Pro is a utility that enables users to log into their PCs using fingerprint recognition.